First, make your pivoting radius arm out of 1/2-inch Baltic birch with a series of 1/4-inch holes drilled in it. The first 2 holes are 4 inches apart, and from then on make them 3 inches apart. After removing the router base handle, attach this to the top of the router base using the bolts and knobs provided. Install the bolts in the first 2 holes that are 4 inches apart. Before drilling holes, be sure to draw a reference line across and down the side. This will give you a 3-inch adjustment using the rulers on either side. Next, make a pivot plate out of 1/4-inch MDF or plywood with a 1/4-inch bolt and a couple washers. And be sure to add a reference line on both axes so you can center your pivot plate exactly where you'd like. After determining your radius, I use a scrap piece of board clamped to my table and screw my pivot plate to that on the perpendicular axis and desired radius. Now, with a couple washers on the bolt, I can install my radius arm within 3 inches of my desired radius, and I can fine-tune the adjustment using the scale ruler on the router base. After tightening down the knobs, I'm ready to go. I can then lower my router or plunge my router down and make a long arched or radius cut. I hope you enjoy the Ultimate Router Base, and please look for other features and operations and additional videos to come.